Hi friends, this is Vishnu Agarwal. In this video we are going to have a tour through LEGO Mindstorms EV3 software where we are going to see each and every part of the software, different programming blocks, tools, etc. So let's open our software in the laptop and see what we can do with it. So after opening LEGO Mindstorms EV3 software, this is how this software looks like. So we have a lot of options on the left hand side. Let's see all one by one. So the first one is model expansion, where you can find all the building instructions of the different models which can be built using a core set and an expansion set. Once you click on model instructions, you can find all the building instructions here. Next one is model core set. So here you will get all the building instructions of 4 different models which can be built using single core EV3 set. Next one is quick start. So basically in quick start, if you are totally new to the EV3 software, then this is the right place where you can start with this and understand how each and every part of the software works. Very properly they have explained about each and every part of the software. So programming overview, data logging overview, content editor and content editor teachers. Next one is file. So in this file you can open a project and then you can do the programming. We'll come to this file option again. So the next option is robot educator. So this is very important and useful option here in the software. If you don't have any educator to teach you about how to do a programming, then you can start with this basic programming, beyond basics, hardware, and understand the concepts of programming and how to control your hardware, your EV3 brick, sensors, motors, etc. to perform different actions. And the best part of this software is for each and every programming they have given a video at how that particular programming block works. So let's say if I click on straight move, then they have given a video. So how after programming a straight move, how my robot will perform. So this is how my robot is performing when you program a straight move. Let's say if you use a curve move, then how your robot is going to perform. So let's click on this and see how it is working. So these are the 3 different turns what the robot is performing in the video: point turn, curve turn and single motor turn. So similarly we have this kind of videos for all the programming blocks. So this is very important option where you can learn the programming concepts from basics to beyond basics. So now let's open a project and see how we can do programming and what other things we have in this software. So to open a new project, there are 2 options. The first one is go to file, click on new project, program and click on open. So now a new window will open where we can do programming. So there is another way where you can just click on this plus button and a new project will open. And if you want to close that, then you need to just click on the cross option and it will close. So now before programming, it's very important that you should save your project. Otherwise, if suddenly your computer will close or switch off, then you will lose your program. So let's save it by clicking on file, save project as, and give some name and save it. So now let's see what do we have on this screen. So this place is called programming canvas where we do programming. The right hand side, this box is called content editor where you can store your project in the form of text, image, video, sound, and also you can use your computer webcam to record your robot performance, how it is performing in all in the video form or image form, etc. And if you are not using this, then you can minimize by just clicking on this option. Now let's see what we have on the right hand side top corner. So this option is program or experiment list. So when you have multiple programs, so basically you can create multiple programs under a project. So our project name is ABC, and under this we have program where you can change the name of this program by double clicking on it, and let's say if I want to give a name 1, and under this project I can create multiple programs just by clicking plus option, and you can have multiple programs, and even you can change the name of this program by double clicking on it, and you can change the name of the program, and then you can see what all program are there in this one project. The full list of the program will come by clicking this option. This option is pan. When you click, then you can drag the screen by clicking the left button on the mouse. This option is called comment box. Once you click, a new comment box will be appeared, which you can drag wherever you want. So this is now I have selected pan, so to use it we need to select the arrow mark. Now you can shift the comment box, and even you can change the size of the comment box, and you can write whatever you want to write inside it, like this. Next option is save project. Next is undo, redo. These are used to zoom in and zoom out. Now the downside, what all things we have. So this part is called programming blocks. So we have different programming blocks for different actions. The first green one is called action blocks. Next is flow control blocks. Yellow color is sensor blocks. Next is data operations block, advanced blocks, and my blocks. So like this we have different programming blocks on the downside. On the right hand side down, this window we have three options this side. So the first option is called brick information. Now EV3 brick is not connected to the computer. So once you connect the EV3 brick, you can see all the information of the brick on this window, like the battery remaining, then the name of the brick, etc. Next option is port view, where you can see which sensors and motors are connected to the EV3 brick. Next is available bricks. So here you can see through which medium my EV3 brick is connected to the computer. Is it connected with USB, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi? Then we have these three options. So the first option is download, so which can be used to, after programming, you can use this option to download the program from computer to your robot. Next option is, this is called play and run. So basically this option download the program and as well as play the program at the same time. And the third option is select and run. So this option is used when you want to play some particular block instead of playing whole program. So let's say if you are using multiple programming blocks and you don't want to play whole program and want to check only a single block, let's say this move steering block, then I will just click on, I'll select the block and click on the select and run. Then this will work as a, then this will play only one single block.
So I hope basic introduction to the LEGO Mindstorms EV3 software will be useful for you. So end of this video, I just wanted to share one more important point is whenever you make a program and after completing it, if you want to do some changes or improvement to it, please make a backup copy. So every now and then whenever you want to change or do some improvement, you end up with a horrible mess, and it's very difficult to go back to the same program what you had before. So
whenever you are making a program and trying to do some changes, please make a backup copy. So thanks for watching this video. We'll be coming back again with new tutorials. See you again. Bye bye.